call this man say I don't get this thing finish since no one come pay my money. No know say I get another one. Which kind thing be this? Me I no dey lie, I no dey do work like this. Hello? I don't finish am now. Me I no dey like this kind of abeg. Come pay me my money. You know wetin? You know dey where? You know dey inside there now. Which kind of life is this one? People go get money, I go work, they no go work. Which kind of life?
I don't wanna go back to Piccolo. I see my call.
I face my own brother. I
don't wanna go Piccolo.
See this one now. Where your life just spoil like this, so you say this. Forget wetin? Your sorrow. Get sorrow again. Wetin you dey think where you wan get sorrow like this, so where be say you no turn to drunkard? All the whole thinking where you dey think na bad something you only think.
I don't wanna reason bad things no more. I don't wanna go back to
I will slap you. Come off. You no wan reason bad thing. Wetin be this one? Alcohol now na good thing.
How many times
You no get sense. You don spoil already. You know you dey say you no wan reason bad thing. This one you dey smoke, you dey drink, you dey take enough. Everything wey dey this world you dey do am. Leave one for people.
see, I'm very, very stupid. Mumu, you are a madman. You are talking to me, I don't want to talk to you. You are talking to me, I don't want to talk to you. You are a madman. You are a fool under the green grass of the snake. You are mad. You think being taken this boy is a madman? One man would have to go back to my back. Why come out? He is a fool. People ask him to come and play this generator. You are very stupid.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
I don't.